Hi, my name is Aslam Moolla and I am a registered attorney, and in today's video we're going to be talking about what is the difference between an unfair labor practice and an unfair dismissal in terms of the Labor Relations Act. Why is this important? Oftentimes in practice, we encounter people who come to our firm and say, Aslam, I've been subjected to an unfair labor practice, when in fact, what they are going through is an unfair dismissal. So what is the difference? Difference number one, unfair labor practice relates to something that's ongoing at the workplace, whereas an unfair dismissal relates to when you have been actually dismissed from work. In other words, your employment relationship is terminated. Let's look at unfair labor practice in a bit more detail. What is an unfair labor practice? In terms of the Labor Relations Act, an unfair labor practice deals with any kind of unfair conduct from the employer to you. And this conduct could be in relation to promotion at work, demotion, extending your probation unnecessarily so, training you, or unfair suspension, or putting you any kind of treatment that's unfair compared to other employees. Now, what are your options when you have an unfair labor practice? When you have an unfair labor practice, you have a right to refer that to the Ccma for arbitration. What does that mean? That means that you can ask the Ccma to look into the matter and advise your employer regarding how they are treating you in terms of the workplace. Compare that to a dismissal. When we have a dismissal, like I said earlier, your employment relationship is actually terminated from the employer. You must then refer the case to the Ccma for an unfair dismissal. There's an important time considerations when you have an unfair labor practice and an unfair dismissal. With an unfair labor practice, you have 90 days to refer your case to the Ccma. With an unfair dismissal, you have 30 days to refer your case to the Ccma. If you've missed the time period, let's say you had 32 days or 50 days or 60 days for an unfair dismissal, you can still refer your case to the Ccma, but you must fill in a condemnation application as well. We've done a separate video on that on our YouTube channel. If you need help in your situation, you're more than welcome to click the link below and book an appointment with our office. I wish you all the best, and I'll speak to you soon.